Nengi caught touching Ozo's manhood under the duvet. Big Brother Naija Lockdown housemate Nengi was caught on camera last night touching Ozo's manhood. In the viral video that has generated diverse reactions on social media, the Bbnaija-born housemate was raising the duvet as she slipped her hands down the pants of her partner. Both housemates are seen by their teaming fans as the strongest partners in the lockdown house. However, Nengi has described Ozo as only her brother and sees him same way as Prince, Kidwaya and others, even though they sleep on the same bed. So guys, this Nengi have not really told us what she really wants from Ozo, because today she's friend zoning the guy, tomorrow she's turning the guy into her family, and now she has said she sees the guy same way as Prince and Kidwaya. Remember some days ago, Ozo confronted Nengi about being in a triangle again, because to him it seems Nengi is getting back into relationship with Kidwaya and Prince, and Ozo is not finding it funny. So guys, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop.